This G.SKILL RipjawsV 32GB dual-module kit delivers fast and responsive DDR4 performance that keeps modern games and creative workloads running smoothly. The modules run at a high effective data rate with a reasonably tight latency configuration, offering a good balance between speed and stability for mainstream enthusiasts. Support for Intel XMP profiles makes it straightforward to reach the rated performance in the system firmware, provided the motherboard and processor can handle the settings. The heat spreader design is low profile enough to avoid most air cooler clearance issues, while still helping the memory stay cool under sustained load. Compatibility is strong across many Intel and AMD desktop platforms, and G.SKILL provides clear guidance and tools for checking motherboard support before purchase. Build quality feels solid, and long-term users generally find this kit to be a reliable drop-in upgrade for gaming and productivity desktops.